Hey, good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. Welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today, we're going to be looking at ways to spell new words. You might remember we tried a little bit of this last week. Now, the reason why we are looking at ways to spell words so closely is that it really helps us to help write down our ideas quickly. When we know how to spell, it helps us to write down all of our ideas before we maybe forget a detail or mix up a part. So the first strategy I want to remind you of this morning is using words you know to help you spell new words. Like with the word smart. If I can already spell the word art, then it's super easy for me to hear that an S and an M before art, and then smush them together to make one new word. Another way to make it easy to spell is to go part by part. So let's say I'm trying to spell the word crocodile. It's a big, long word. But if I can break it up into smaller parts, it's going to help me figure out what letters to use. So I'm going to start at the very beginning. Cur. Ooh, I think that's going to be a CR. Croc, ock, OC, croc, O, CROCO, crocodile, D. Yep, hear that D, aisle. Ooh, that's going to be that silent E on the end going ILE. And just like that, I've managed to spell that huge long word crocodile. So I want to let you guys know that tomorrow we are going to take some time to try to read our stories out loud in class. So today, I want you, while you are working on your story, to really think about adding details to your writing and, of course, to your pictures. To try to write out tricky words part by part if you're adding on those details and you're thinking of a really long, fun word to try to put in there. And of course, to use words you know to help you spell new words, like with smart. Thanks so much for coming today, and I can't wait to hear your stories tomorrow.